Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate running total without pivot table in Excel. So here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to calculate running total. So first select the cell, use the is equal to and type here sum and select here the sum function and select first cell's amount. Here the C2 is selected. After that, to fix this C2, press the F4. Now C2 is a fixed cell. Then just add here the colon. Okay. And again select the C2 cell, bracket closed and enter, and that's it. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see the running total calculated of cells amount. You can see first cells amount 1200, then 950. I select the both cell, and in the Excel bottom side you can see sum is 2150. Okay, as same as here the 2150. Again I select this 3 cell, and here the sum showing the 3650, the 3650. Okay, and the second way to calculate running total, select the cells amount column, select the first cell, and then press the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. After select the entire column, you can see here the one icon showing quick analysis. Click on it. In totals, you can see the running option showing, but it's showing in horizontal. You can see the blue color is highlighted in horizontal. And here the my data is vertical. So I just click on this arrow, and now you can see again second option, running total in vertically calculate. So I click on this option. So here you can see the running total is calculated with the quick analysis. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can calculate running total without pivot table in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.